All right, let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a time when you saw a lot of plastic waste.
Whenever I went to the park, in cafes, markets, different places, so I saw there are many different type of plastic bottles, wrappers. So I think so. People should not aware the wastage. Throw where is wastage. So I think government should arrange some bins as in around the parks and public places, outside of the malls. Uh, Whenever people saw the bins, they throw in the bins the wrappers and wastage. So whenever I go to the market, I use the shopping bags for grocery. I think people should allow the shopkeepers, they use a fabric bag or disposable bags. So it is good for our country
All
to
right, thank you
cleaning.
so much. You are giving a generalized answer. We need specific answer. Your topic is plastic waste and you are speaking on plastic waste. This is not the topic that I gave you. My
Right.
topic is describe our time means once when
Right.
you saw a lot of plastic waste. So you're going to narrate an incident that you went somewhere, like you went to northern areas and there you saw so many plastic bottles, plastic bags and all that. So you need to be specific about it.
Right.
But you generally spoke about plastic and government should do this. So your answer was more like a suggestion. It should not be a suggestion, it should be a description of a past incident where you saw the waste.
Right.
Okay, so you should be very clear about it. Let's go on, speaking part 3. Do you think we should use plastic products?
I don't think so, because the plastic products are not recycling. We use a different type of material like a fabric or disposable.
Okay, this
So
answer is incomplete. There should be some more. So you need to work hard. And especially for part 2, you
right.
should come up with some specific ideas related to the topic. Don't just pick up one word from the topic and speak on that. No, you have to understand the topic and then narrate the whole thing. Right?
Right.
Thank you.